Today I'm going to review how to enter a discipline referral in Infinite Campus. So you're going to log into Infinite Campus. Make sure that the year is 2021. Alright, you're going to scroll down and click on Behavior. Then click on Behavior Referral. You're going to select New. You're going to scroll down. You're going to make sure that everything in red there is something beside it. So add the date. Please try to stay as close to the time as you can so that if I have to pull the tape, I can easily go back to it. I don't have to watch the entire tape. Select the context. So of course this will be during school hours. Remember, you want to select your administrators. Alright, so I'm going to select Mrs. Gilmore. Select the location. Again, you can select classroom because it does have, the incident will have occurred in the online classroom, or you can select off campus associated with school. Either or is fine. Classroom. Here you're going to add details as to what happened in the incident. Alright, you're going to scroll down and select Add Events. Here you're going to select Event Type. This happened at school, so it is a staff referral. You're going to scroll down to select Participants. Choose the student's last name. Here. Okay, I'm going to choose this first student here. You can also identify the role of the student, whether the student was the offender, the participant, the victim, or the witness. Okay, and then you can add more details if you'd like. If there's more than one student here that's involved in the incident, then of course you can add another student. Choose that student's name. Add here if this student was in fact the victim. Maybe this student was the offender, this student was the victim. You can add as many students who were involved. Then you're going to click Save Draft. Once you save the draft, you are not done. It is going to show here. You will need to click Submit. If you make a mistake, if you found that you made a mistake, you can delete it. Alright. If you just save it, it's going to sit here in your Infinite Campus outbox, if you will. You must submit it, so click Submit. When you get this message, a behavior referral has been submitted, you are done. These are the steps for entering a discipline referral into Infinite Campus.